and 2, Lexi Greenhawk. 3, Claire Mihawk. 4, Rosa Murphy. 5, Bella Sims. 6, Gretchen Braun. 7, Cody Ivanovich. In lane number 8, Ariana Zhao. Backstrokers in the water now. Out front, that's Bella Sims, slight lead, lane number 5. Very solid, 24-3-0, that's quick. And again, Bella Sims with a very nice turn there, nice quick flip. And nicely underwater, there she is. Oh my gosh, almost to the red buoy, that's Bella Sims, a huge lead. 49-87, Bella! And in the water now, your breaststrokers. Cecilia Howard, Kayla Rodriguez, Sarah Phoenix, Letitia Sims, Margaret Papanikolaou, Nicolene Bolton-Jensen, and Devin Kitchen, lane number 8 from Michigan. Out front, that's Letitia Sims. Out front, her cut 27.21 at the turn. And Leticia with a sizable lead there in lane number 5. Very strong underwater, halfway down the pool. That's Leticia in lane number 5. Very nice. 57, 58 low, 148.06 at the halfway mark in the relay. And in the water now, your butterflyers, Anna Beamer, Isabella Chow, Jada Duncan, Brady Kendall, Katerina Nikonova, Faye Lustria, and Matsuri Spielman in lane number 8. Lisa Spielman is your butterfly athletes. That's Brady Whale in front, 23.85, a very fast first 50 on the butterfly leg for Brady. And again for Brady, very solid on the water, past the right buoy on the way back. That's Brady Kendall in lane number 5, very, very strong. And that's Brady, 2:39.46, only 100 yards remaining for Michigan. Your freestylers, Layla Pack, Amy Pan, Giesen Gavunch, Stephanie Valdez,